guys, welcome to this month's Loot Crate. Yes! Quite excited about this one, even though most of the stuff in this will probably be going to my boyfriend more than likely than me using it. I'm going to open this up, and this is what it looks like on the inside. First, I'm going to find the booklet, because I'm not exactly that much of a pro of what is in here, so excuse my voice. That was like cold, because I'm an idiot, and, well, I'm not really an idiot, but start with the Meg crate with over $2,000. It's pretty cool. Wouldn't mind the Blu-ray home theatre system. That would be pretty amazing. Anyway, let's start with the top. It's pretty cool. Dave is absolutely gonna love this, probably. I have never watched X-Files myself, but I've heard that it's meant to be really, really good. And these t-shirts are always really, really good quality as well. Like, but yeah, I have never watched X-Files, so I don't know what this is about at all. So, if you guys have watched X-Files, is it worth me watching it? You tell me, I don't know. Oh, well, I knew this was the facehugger plush. This is awesome. These aliens. He looks way too happy. Like, do you know what I mean? He just looks way too happy. Likes it to be like, woo, yay! I think this is to go around him. So, like, you could have him, like, attached to your head, like this, if I think so. Is that... I'm not entirely sure. Don't know if you can see that. Let me do that again. Yeah, I think it's meant to just attach it to your face. So you could walk around like this, if you really wanted to. You know, each their own. But anyway, he's cute though. Sorry. Millie Alien vinyl figure. You can't really see him very well in his box. He's see-through though. You guys are probably gonna kill me for even opening the box. But let's have a look at him. Here you go. I got the one which is clear and orange at the top, which will probably go with our display around here somewhere. He's pretty cool though. Dave will probably absolutely love this. It's not really, like, everything that's in here is really good, but it's really not my type of, like, not really what I like. But this is pretty cool. This is from The Fifth Element. Can't even remember how that film goes. I have watched it though. But that's pretty cool. It's like a complete replica. And I've got an X-Files flashlight, and it also comes with battery. There's battery, that's pretty cool. I'm glad they put actual batteries in there. Nothing here then. Oh, the little art prints. Oh, they're pretty cool. Exclusive Invasion mini art prints. They're pretty good quality. They came in an envelope to keep them safe, which is good. I'm just going to pop those back in there. This, and then finally the Lootcrate badge. They've changed the badges. Well, it used to be a badge. This one's the pin. If you can, oh, he's upside down, isn't he? You can see that. And it's a pin instead. That's pretty cool. Look at him holding the Lootcrate. Oh, that's epic. I think that's all. These are like that. Let me talk properly. These are a lot better than the badges, I think. The pin. And this is what the inside of the Lootcrate box looks like, which is pretty cool. But yeah, the reason why I don't really seem that enthusiastic is because it's not really my thing. But everything you get in here, if you love X-Files, if you love Alien, you love Space Invaders, Invasion, then you would pretty much love this Lootcrate. I can't get over how cute his face is. This is probably my favourite. Oh. Anyway, on that note, I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe, like, comment. I will do an unboxing next month. Thank you for watching. Bye.